Many middle-agers find themselves these days not only managing their own finances, but also keeping an eye on their aging parents' concerns as well. So where do you start? Rich Barrett is the Director of Estate Planning at Annex Wealth Management, and he's here with a few tips on starting that conversation and what questions we need to be asking. Rich, good to see you. So,
Good afternoon.
What age group are we talking about here?
We're really focusing on the baby boomers. Estimates are that 10,000 of them turn 65 every day, and that'll continue for the next 15 years. So it's this baby boom, they call it the silver tsunami of
right.
aging people.
And what are the challenges that age group is looking at here financially?
You know, one of the biggest concerns we hear about is worrying about health care costs.
Sure.
That long, prolonged illness, maybe Alzheimer's. Nursing homes can cost from $5,000 to $10,000 monthly. And so if there's a 2 or 3 year stay in a nursing home, that can easily deplete, a retirement savings.
And any suggestions right away for how you start that conversation?
Yeah, the best way to approach that is to look at long-term care insurance. A nice thing about long-term care is that some of that benefit you can stay at home and have home health care come in, and most people do want to stay at home as long as they can.
When we talk about adult children starting to take a look at their parents' finances, what sort of things do they need to start looking at early on? Well,
the other thing that we're worried about is as we get older, we get vulnerable to identity theft and credit card fraud, things like that. So the sooner the next generation can come in, share that information, in some cases they'll act as co-trustee with the parents, so there's some checks and balances, so they're not going to be vulnerable to those kind of incidents.
All that can seem so overwhelming, Rich, when we look at the large picture. Is there something that people of this age group, when you talk about the parents, we should be looking at right now? Like, where do you get started?
I would say a great question. I would say a great place to start is getting a good set of estate planning documents together, a will, a trust, powers of attorney, health care directives. That's essential for all of our aging parents.
And you guys at Annex are putting together some clinics on this. You got them coming up?
Yes, we are, and it's certainly aimed at that aging, baby boom generation, but we're also hoping some of their children come in so they know how to deal with some of these issues for their 65, 70-year-old parent.
Financial know-how is good at any level, right?
Absolutely.
All right, thanks. Good tips, Rich. Appreciate seeing you. And for more information on any of these tips, or to sign up for the Annex Wealth seminars, you can look at the link on our website. It's tmj4.com.